Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect water slides in Bloxburg. Building an amazing water park is super fun, and getting those slides just right is key. We will go over the simple, step-by-step process to ensure your slides are perfectly aligned and ready for endless enjoyment. You will learn how to create a fantastic, flowing water slide experience for all your Bloxburg residents. To start, select your first water slide piece from the Build menu. Find a nice, flat spot in your plot. This is crucial for stability. Place the piece down, making sure there's plenty of room, perhaps 2 or 3 grid squares, for future extensions. Using the grid will help you keep everything perfectly straight from the very beginning, setting a strong foundation for your entire slide. Now, grab your next water slide segment. Gently move it close to the end of the piece you just placed. You will see a helpful green highlight appear when the 2 sections are perfectly aligned and ready to connect. Once you see that green indicator, simply click to snap them together. This ensures a smooth, gap-free transition for anyone enjoying your awesome water slide. Once all your slide pieces are connected, it is time for the most exciting part: testing. Have a character try out the slide to ensure there are no breaks or bumps. If you notice any issues, simply adjust the problematic sections until the ride is perfectly smooth. Finally, add some cool decorations, like plants or lights, to make your water park truly spectacular and inviting for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.